In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in CapCut on your PC, step by step. If you're creating tutorials, short videos, reels, or any kind of content where captions can boost retention and make your video easier to follow, this is one of the fastest ways to do it. CapCut makes the process simple with its Auto Captions feature, so you do not need to type every subtitle manually. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once it loads, you can either create a brand new project or open an existing one, depending on what you're working on. If you already have your video ready, opening an existing project can save time. If not, start fresh so you can build everything from the beginning. Next, import the video you want to add subtitles to. You can usually do this by dragging and dropping the file into CapCut, or by using the import option inside the editor. Once the video is inside CapCut, drag it down to the timeline. This is important because the timeline is where CapCut will analyze the audio and place the captions in the correct spots. Now look over to the left panel and click Text. This is where CapCut keeps all of its text-related tools, including subtitle and caption features. After that, click Auto Captions. This is the feature that automatically listens to your video's audio and turns the speech into subtitles for you. CapCut will then ask you to choose the spoken language in your video. Make sure you select the correct language because this helps CapCut generate more accurate subtitles. If your video has English audio, choose English. If it's another language, select the one that matches your voice track. If CapCut prompts you to select an audio source, choose the correct one from the options available. In most cases, this will be the main video audio or the track containing your voiceover. Selecting the right source is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which audio to convert into subtitles. Once everything is set, click Generate. CapCut will now begin processing your video and creating subtitles automatically. Depending on the length of your video and the strength of your computer, this may take a little moment, so be patient while it works. When the process is finished, CapCut will create the subtitles and place them on your timeline. From there, you can review them, make small edits if needed, and customize the style later if you want a different look. But for now, the main goal is complete. Your subtitles have been generated. And that is how to add subtitles in CapCut on PC using Auto Captions. It's a quick and beginner-friendly method that saves a lot of time, especially if you post content regularly. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.